So I just installed the factory 12-volt power outlet right here. A little USB. But a lot easier than I expected. Well, it was a lot easier just after doing it. So taking off the fairings is easy. There's plenty of videos out there showing that. Take off the side fairings, take off the cowling. Right here on the 2018 19s, there's a little plastic tab right here connecting the cowling, the front nose piece. They just pop off. Just get them and just pop it off, and then obviously don't lose it. But and then the connector is right here. So I took off the air cleaner cover, which is easy. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. These two down here they stay in. They don't come off the box. But these two, they'll fall right out. And then pull this little rubber tab, pull that back so it comes out of the little holder. It's easy. And then you'll see the plug right here. You have to take off this little piece here. And originally it had these little things in it. These little weather plugs. So yeah, you just take that off and put it in, install it. There's no real, I couldn't find out. I mean, I'll just leave that right there. Maybe I'll zip tie it, I don't know. But yeah, that's it. Too easy. I know the old ones, there was 16, 17, everything was like up here. But I'm gonna put all this back because I thought it was up here. This is if you're gonna run other accessories. So now to get to this one, same thing, you gotta take everything off. But actually to get to this, you don't even need to take off the cowling. You don't need to, just take off the side cover, that's it.